What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Justinhawksmith channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a cold start on my Hoodstack 6.0 Power Stroke. And it may seem kind of like a simple video, but we're going to do a little bit more in today's video. We're also going to go over some of the build plans for the truck. We actually sold the lift kit, the 20-inch Striker Off-Road Designs lift kit on the truck. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. After we do our cold start on the truck 3 years ago this January. So pretty much this is going to be kind of like a cold start 3-year anniversary for the YouTube channel. It sounds crazy to me to think that 3 years ago this January I started my YouTube channel. That was my first ever video. I'll go ahead and throw part of that up on the screen right now or something. But yeah, so pretty much 3 years ago started the YouTube channel, 0 subscribers, and now we just now surpassed 10,000 subscribers. It seems absolutely crazy to me to think that 3 years ago like YouTube now is just like a daily part of my life. So it's really awesome. I've met so many people through the truck industry and through the YouTube world and realm, everything to do with truck stuff, you know, obviously. But through YouTube and, you know, all of my sponsors and through building the 6.0 has allowed me to go places and meet a lot of really cool people, good and bad. And that's just part of it. But I am so appreciative, guys, of every single one of you all. So there's over 10,000 subscribers now on the YouTube channel, and now the truck, I don't know if any of you all actually remember the very first YouTube video where I done the cold start video, or if any of you all are subscribers from that long ago. But if you are, get down in the comments below and comment down below. And if you're wondering what's behind me, that's an RC track that I've been building. I rented a Bobcat and I've been building like an RC track, like a short course truck track. So there's going to be a little bit of RC content, so I don't know if any of y'all will be interested in that, but if not, the truck content will still be here. We're about to tear the whole lift off of my truck. New powder coat color, new lift, new wheels, new tires, everything. New color. We're going to wrap the truck. So we'll be figuring out a wrap color on that as well, figuring out a new powder coat color, and I'm going to need your all's help on that, figuring out some new wheels. Probably going to have you all help me pick between a couple different spoke patterns. I've already got the tires figured out. And I may talk about that in this video. I may not. I'm not sure. But anyway, guys, without further ado, what you clicked on this video for, a cold start. Right now, it's like 20-something degrees out. And I'm going to start the 6.0. It hasn't been started in a little bit over a week. And this is probably going to be my last start for a while. Because after I get this thing started up and wrap up a couple orders of taillights and install a little leveling kit action, we're going to be backing the truck in and tearing the lift kit off later this week. So there's going to be a video on that as well. There's going to be a lot of build vlog style videos, like episodes of getting some work done to the 6.0. We're going to be completely welding all the holes, filling in everything, smoothing the frame down, painting the frame, all of that. So there's going to be a lot of content to look forward to, guys. If this is one of your first videos that you're watching here on the Justinhawksmith channel, don't forget to get down there and click that subscribe button down below. But without further ado, guys, we're going to go on up here and start the truck. So here it is, guys. It's freaking cold out. Hasn't been started in a while. It's dirty, neglected. Has freaking icicles coming off of it. So, you know it's cold out. I've got to take the cup off right quick. I hope the batteries aren't dead, honestly. Got the cup off. All right, so I've got to run inside to get the keys right quick. Look at that grill take hitch cover. Powder coated that myself somehow. But anyway, center console's looking good. All right, so I'm gonna go inside right quick, grab the keys, and we will start this baby up. Hopefully she starts. We're about to start her up. Unplugged. It's not plugged in. The cord's like back in there. So just so you know, that's not plugged in. All right, so we're about to start it up. I'm gonna try to hold the camera out here and start it up. Here we go. right, so any second now, that high idle should kick on, and the high idle with this 10-blade KC turbos balanced assembly is so freaking loud. You can kind of hear it's gonna spool up really, really loud here in just a second. So just wait for that. I'm gonna try to get it on camera, but I don't want to just sit here with it idling, you know, too long and make you guys bored. So I'm gonna try to film it and get it where it starts to raise up and kind of go into that high idle. Right there it was, guys. It just now done it. I don't know how well you can hear it on camera. Gosh, that KC turbos is whistling so loud. I swear, even from way over here, I can still just hear it hissing. Gosh. Those tail lights looking so good. Woo! That's what I was saying right there, guys. 1,000 RPMs. So it's sitting right there at 1,000 RPMs. And now if I hit the brake, then it's gonna instantly drop. So see, watch this. I'll hit the brake and it dropped. So it's got kind of like an automated high idle, and man, it makes it sound good. So we're up to about 80 degrees. I'm gonna give it just a couple of revs for you all. I swear, guys, the sound of this truck with a hood stack never gets old. But I've been thinking, maybe it's time to do something different since we're gonna do a completely new lift, wheels, tires, new powder, the whole 9 yards. Maybe it's time to do something different with it. Should we keep the hood stack, or should we do a bed stack, or should we do another 10-inch Grill Tech exhaust tip ran all the way out to the back, like a 5-inch straight pipe maybe, all the way to the back? I'm not sure if I really like an axle dump, so I would definitely either do it all the way to the back, a bed stack, or keep the hood stack. And of course, all of the hood stack components will be repowder coated and all of that in the new powder coat color. So nothing to worry about there. Everything's gonna get repowder coated, so the hood stack will look different. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna keep the hood stack because I really love the hood stack. I mean, it does get kind of old having to cover up the hood stack pipe all the time. Because obviously if it rains in there, that goes directly into the turbo, right into the motor. So we don't want any water getting into the turbo, obviously. But I mean, other than that, it's pretty, I love the hood stack. Like, and speaking of Grill Tech, man, we just got all kinds of Grill Tech stuff in this YouTube video. Right here is the hitch cover that I powder coated myself. We done that here on the YouTube channel. It's actually holding up really good. And then who remembers whenever I had the Grill Tech 10-inch exhaust tip, man, that thing looked freaking good. But yeah, so Grill Tech has been a sponsor for a long time, and I really, really appreciate Ryan and the whole team at Grill Tech. They actually posted a video of their TV at the shop, running the YouTube channel and watching one of my recent uploads. So if y'all are watching this at Grill Tech, guys, I really, really appreciate it. Ryan, the whole family there at Grill Tech. I appreciate each and every one of you all. And yeah, I cannot wait to rebuild the truck and see you guys at Daytona if they have it. If not, I've got my buddy Colby, he's in Florida. I'm just gonna come down to Florida. I gotta do a video at Grill Tech. We have to. Maybe get them to let me powder coat a tip or something. Let them get me to do something there at Grill Tech and let me help them out there for a day or two and make some YouTube content for you guys, because I'm sure y'all would love to see some inside of Grill Tech, and they would be more than happy to let me do that, because those guys down there, man, they're like family, and I've never got to meet them. So I definitely am gonna have to get down there here soon and get down there, make a video down there showing them, cutting out some tips, stuff like that, little vlog style video, hang out with them, go out to eat, stuff like that. But anyway guys, so I wanted to make this video because almost 3 years ago, I done a cold start video, and that's what started my YouTube channel. And I was like, I need to make another one because I've not really done many videos with the hood stack. Like, yes, I've had the hood stack in videos, but I've never really like let you guys hear it and see what it sounded like and all of that. So I figured this will be a perfect opportunity and kind of like not really emotional, but kind of, you know, meaningful. Since we're almost to that 3-year mark here on the YouTube channel, and we just hit 10,000 subscribers. And if you're still watching this video all the way to this point, I really, really appreciate it. And you're probably a true supporter or a true hater. We've got those too. But just to let both of y'all know, we've got merch dropping soon. It's supposed to be here this coming Monday, and then it'll be on. I don't have a website set up just yet, but I do have a website that I'll be selling it off of until I get, you know, if all the merch sells out, which I'm hoping that it will. I think that it will. First run of merch, once it sells out, I've already bought the domain name and everything like that, so I'll be opening up the actual website, and I'll have a couple other things on there too. And I'm wanting to talk to some of my sponsors and see if we can get some of their products on my website too, so then you all can order stuff through me. So maybe get some DBA rock lights on there, some wheel lights, stuff like that. Or if not, just link all of their products on my website, as it always is in the description box down below. But I just wanted to kind of run that by you guys. So we will have merch dropping here soon. Should be sometime at the end of next week, maybe the week after that. By the time I get it all in, get all of the envelopes and everything, get ready for shipping, and you'll be able to click on the website, check out with a debit or credit card. You know, it'll be all legit. Should be able to use PayPal too, I think. If you have PayPal on there, you can do the quick checkout with PayPal. So it should be laid out really, really easy and organized, and you all should be able to pick you up some merch. And we're on the way to the top, just past 10,000 subscribers, as I've already said in this video. But I'm just so excited and so pumped up, and I cannot wait to start tearing this 6.0 apart again, to rebuild it here on the channel. And hopefully some of y'all learned some stuff from all the videos. That's what we're here for. And hopefully I learned some stuff during the rebuild process too. You just get better and better at stuff the more you fool with it. So yeah, we'll have a new wheel company on with the channel. We'll have some new tires on the truck. Maybe a new lift kit company. I'm not sure just yet. Can't decide really what size I want to go with, and then whatever size I go with, that'll dictate, you know, kind of what all I do. Powder coat color, of course, single shot powder coat is going to be hooking it up on the powder coat again. So you already know the powder coat's going to be so nice. Haven't decided on a color just yet. Single Shot's doing some sample colors for me this week, shooting a couple things, just little like tubing and just like little random, you know, objects, shooting different colors on them. And then we're going to go down there and I'll be able to pick out a color then. And once we get the powder coat color picked out, then I got to decide on what size lift, and then we'll decide on, you know, what actual lift we're going with. But yeah guys, that's going to be all for today's video. Always remember, everybody starts out as a nobody, and I'll see you on the next one. You better be ready for it. Peace.